A piece of exciting news coming through for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ukuma pima pemba is amoto. Yemfam kutwa loto. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2 players. Ya from mo eko the national team. Yes, our mo prepare and nedue and a players na was omo ko camp krada. It is omo colleague players ekodi ehyiamu ewo ho. Eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko players be ye ho asem wa ha me de bro. Ewo fia mpacho wa ha ye super 24 TV. It's all about Krobi Asante Kotoko. Ghana football and I deba. Now this time around a piece of exciting news. But since I players he may not enyam say ye be from because ye cast a ball pan talent obwa this season or my boy Kumasi Asante Kotoko, especially Peter Amidou Aqua. Yes, Peter Amidou Aqua Okan ya friend to the national team. And yes, Peter Amidou Aqua na that screen. So I feel boy we are boy Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enyasem ketwa. Then again, Shadrach Ado and so eka ho. Let's know any that screen no so no. Yes, let's know any that screen no so no. 30 players any from say omonko the Ghana Man Soccer of Excellence ho. Now omonko say preparation as in say no ene 21st. And our players are supposed to return. Report Shadrach Ado and that screen no so no or your winger for Kumasi Asante Kotoko or your midfielder for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and so be it. And Peter Amidou Aqua and so winger for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Let's know me the bema but under 20 Ghana football. Na omo tene foforo once afibia nipa di 20 mfie beka ho nti se omo for me under 20 foforo omo next tournament all African games e sha se match I think 8th of March to 23rd of March and all African games no e sha se nti coach Dennis Ofemo also omo put up a strong team omo de be compete for Ghana omo hwe ma no list no na betodwa no you can see on your screen Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Shadrach Ado, or midfielders no ho. Ena wingers no so Peter Amidou Aqua, or no so eka ho. Enti that's it. Daniel Afo, Accra Lions. So the list goalkeepers no Gideon Asenko, Dreams FC, Yakubu Said. It's a list there. It goes on and on and on. But the most important thing is Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2 players, Peter Amidou Aqua and Shadrach Ado PM was our list team. Your mom abaso plan in himself now Omamaki to the final list. Not Timang under 20 coach Desmond Ofe and the technical team no for the upcoming All African Games no. Maybe I be fine for Ghana. Congrats, my guys, my idea.